My name is basically Gasa and I'm from Bloomsbury High.
Okay.
I wasn't expecting much, but when I came, I learned a lot. And I also learned that you can do anything if you put dedication and, focus on yourself and in the school.
My name is Sipalazi Yolanda Mbilanga, currently doing grade 12 at Wayneswood. It's my first time coming here, so it was a nice experience. I won't lie to you. I wasn't expecting much because the last time we went to UNISA, it was a lot, it was a big thing, but then all I can say is that we've learned a lot and we're told mostly about careers that we should consider doing.
So my name is Dalita Bomiti Kodo, Deputy Head Boy of Parkville Secondary School. Basically, I wasn't really expecting much from today because, as she said, when we went to UNISA, we didn't get that much information. The people just spoke and they left. We didn't get to interact with the schools or anything. It was just a short program to get to know the schools a bit. But here at ICC, we were able to interact. We really appreciate that they took their time out of their day and came here to present this whole thing to us, because now we have more insight and we know what to do when applying for tertiary education.
That escalates more poverty. Reason being I'm saying that there are people who would like to go further with their education, but they cannot do that in terms of financial, they don't have financial money to go to schools, or being a case like this, because we are given that opportunities, because we are given that, let's say, money or funding. I think there's some people, for example, in the rural areas, they depend in labor and making money by their hands, not with their mind, because they're not giving that much of education and opportunities as we get as the city people. So I'd say AI is low-key taking jobs for people, and that's not a good thing.
My name is Siamtana Adini. I'm from Mason Lincoln Special School. Today I learned to come to reality in this world that we live in. Because I learned that many jobs are being taken away from us by this robotic system. So it was kind of educational, but I was also scared that what if the career I choose will not exist for the next few years. We as young people, we need to be innovative as well, come with new ideas.
I think, we should encourage the youth to find out more about education more than having fun with AI, and it really helps us if we educate ourselves instead of waiting for someone to educate us.
The message is that also continue learning, even if you do not have opportunities or anything, just continue striving for a dream, because it's not easy out there. I won't lie to y'all. It's not easy. As a youth, we have seen a lot. We have seen how our parents and our neighbors go through things in order for their learners or their kids to succeed. All I can say is that we need to make our parents proud. You need to study hard, even if it's hard. Just make sure you have a goal that you have set, and even short or long-term goals. Just set a goal and just be brave and be strong.
My last message is that we need to record because poverty is not the option.
I would say to people living with disabilities, as we see that there are many people who live with disabilities and still make it, so I think that we can also make it, and we can go higher and higher and reach the stars.